Hi, everybody. Welcome to Reality Buzz TV, where we talk about all things reality TV shows and all things reality TV show stars. So, the trailer of Ingane's Temple for the next episode is out. And finally, we are going to see the thing that we have been waiting for, which is the friend Gavuyo that she is bringing there, because she is pretending that she needed a friend that she was going to use as a shoulder to cry on, because probably the siblings were not going to be able to support her, which is not true, because Mpilo was very supportive of her and all of that, you guys. But she said that she needed a friend to, help her through just the fact that she's there with the siblings and going through a breakup with Mpumelelo, and the siblings might not be able to support her. When I heard her explain that, you guys, I was like, no, that makes sense. I think that if I had just broken up with somebody and I had to go on a trip, number one, you guys, I wouldn't go on a trip. But then if I have to work, if it's a work trip, ngathi bazovele bathi angibe u-roommate nobani, you know. If you have to work, sometimes you have to go on these trips. So I understood her when she was explaining it that way, that I'm gonna need somebody to support me. I'm going to a hard time. The siblings might not be able to be there for me, because obviously these are Mpumelelo's siblings. But then she went on to explain that this girl was Mpumelelo's crush. I'm like, girl, now you are being unnecessarily messy on your way out from the WhatsApp group. Okay, you know that member on the WhatsApp group where everybody is like, has discussed, because you know what, guys, and then remember something dramatic, and then all of you are like, hey, yani, hi, kipen, that emoji that goes, admin, kipen. So she's being unnecessarily, shady on her way out. I really don't understand, you guys, why she brought that friend. At the same time, I feel like obviously there's nobody that can come on that trip while they're shooting the show without the approval of the producer. So maybe when she introduced the idea of bringing her friend, they also liked it, because they thought an opportunity for a drama, you guys. So this lady is coming, okay? And looking at her pictures and all of that, you guys, on Instagram, I understand why she was Mpumelo's crush, okay? Because it's the same kind of a woman, okay? And then they all end up looking older than him, because he is so I'm using the wrong figure. So I can understand how he had a crush on her. But you guys, wait for this one, okay? Because she gets there, obviously she is Vuyo's friend. Now, when she is being asked about a relationship with Mpumelelo and Vuyo, she says that she was dating both Mpumelelo and Vuyo. I'm like, how? Kanjani manje? Because Uvuyo said that this girl was Mpumelo's crush. A crush, Pele crush, you don't date your crush, really. A crush is just like, oh, he's cute, and you never speak to your crush because of Helungingiz or something more to Kulumane crush yako. Oh, guys, please update us, because Pelatina Becky, that is a crush, crush a leg with the foot. It was supposed to be a passenger. Even reachable to you, but the crush yako. But today, this girl is coming out here saying that she dated both Vuyo and Mpumelelo. Okay. Now I'm like, okay, obviously Vuyo didn't tell us everything, but there's even another level to that statement, because she said she dated both of them. I'm like, okay, number one, she dated. Vuyo didn't tell us that, but also she dated both. Like, kanjani manje? Okay, does she mean that she dated Mpumelelo while Mpumelelo was still with Vuyo? Or she means that she dated Mpumelelo, but she also dated Vuyo? Is there something we need to know about Vuyo? Listen, we are free here, okay? We are free. We like the rainbow and we like all the colors of the rainbow, okay? We just need to know which color you belong to, girl, okay? Is it the alphabet community going on here? You know, we welcome all of the letters, all of them, okay? Even though they keep adding and adding and adding the letters, we accept the letter. They add another one, we accept the letter, you know? So I'm just thinking, is Uvuyo a member of the letters? You know, is Vuyo a member of the rainbow? What's going on here? Okay. Also, we always assume, guys, some allergy kind of a thing. It's a weird thing. Sorry, anyway, you guys, we always assume that these young people that are bringing back Isthembu are bringing back Isthembu the way that we know Isthembu. Assumption here is like it's Tembo plus yeah, it's a husband who has a relationship with this one and this one and this one, and then the wives have a choice whether they get along or they don't get along, but there's nothing going on with the wives. Okay, I was watching another show here, you know, this show that says the way they exchange phones, you know, they exchange phone, they're trying to see who's and are still faithful to each other. So they meet this guy, ne? This guy is with his girlfriend and a friend, okay? When they open the phone, they're trying to see if the guy and his girlfriend are faithful to each other, and the friend is just there as an extra, but she was with them. They find out the girl is cheating on the guy with the girl. Okay, so the girl is dating the guy and also dating the girl. Okay. And then the one girl is like, when the guy is finding out and he's upset about it, and then the girl is like, what are you upset about? Okay, because you know, you can even have both of us same time kind of a situation. The guy is like, no. So what I'm saying, you guys, is that was there something sexual going on between Vuyo and this Vicky girl? And they're trying to tell us something. Because remember that Vuyo said that Pumelelo believes that the reason that they have broken up with him is because of this girl. Like this girl has influenced Vuyo to break up with Pumelelo. How would this girl have influenced Vuyo to break up with Pumelelo when this girl is saying she was dating both of them? Is it a situation where Vuyo... Okay, guys, now let me just say, is Vuyo bringing her girlfriend to the trip or bringing a friend? Because I'm like, oh, so you broke up with your boyfriend and you made sure that all of the siblings understand that you have broken up with him because you are about to bring another one, you know, another boyfriend who is a girl. You know what I mean? You know, I'm suspicious, you guys. It's suspicious, okay? And I guess the siblings are going to be trying to find... I know Sneh is going to be on the job, but she needs to stop with the crying, okay? She needs to do the job. She needs to do the Lord's work and ask the questions, because obviously a boy is not going to ask, Luandle is not going to ask, Below is not going to ask. So I like Sneh to ask the questions, but she must stop with the crying afterwards, okay? When they come for you, Sneh, come for them too. Just tell them, guys, we wouldn't get a show if we have to wait for you guys. So obviously, I have to ask the question. Tell them that, girl, okay? Just ask all of the questions. Then when they come for you, just tell them, because Nina, you guys are not doing anything on this show. So Usne and her friend are going to be asking this girl questions like, girl, why are you here? You were dating both of them? How? So now, why are you here? Are you hoping that you're going to get back together with Mpumelelo? Okay. But I also saw something, you guys. I saw Usne kind of defend Mpumelelo because she's saying something like, listen, the reason that Mpumelelo wants to date a virgin is because he is trying to build a family. So it's not like a fun thing where he's just going around dating virgins, okay? Even though we know that a lot of it is like that. But that's what Usne is saying. Mpumelelo is trying to build a family. So if you are here and you student, are you trying to get back to the family, or what's going on here, you guys? Listen, it's going to be interesting. Okay, it's going to be interesting. And this girl also said that she's here to find out why Mpumelelo blocked her. Girls, okay, I know I'm too old, okay, but if a guy blocks you, you do not need to find out why they blocked you. Celebrate it. Okay, even when they unblock you, you are not supposed to find out that they've unblocked you, and you are not supposed to ask them why they block you. Never do that to yourself. It's not done. Okay, it's against yabona imithetho eyishumi yasebhayibhelini khona wesi-11 othi thou shalt not ask a guy why he blocked you. Do not do it. Okay, if a guy has blocked you, there's communication enough that he does not want to talk to you. Okay, he does not want to have contact with you. Now, if you are still going to find ways to go and ask him why he blocked you, maybe that is the reason he blocked you, is because he really didn't want to talk to you. I'm like, oh, you kids will be embarrassing us women. Okay. If somebody has blocked you, there's communication enough that they don't want to talk to you. So don't go and talk to them about them blocking you. It doesn't make sense at all, you guys. So I'm looking forward to this episode because I'm just looking forward to watching Vuyo's mess. And low-key, you guys, I'm embarrassed for her because I'm thinking you are wanting to walk out of this relationship with some dignity intact. Okay, and I'm saying you isidima sakhe esincane esisele ufuna nje siphele lana ngoba ngempela, what is the reason for you to bring this girl on this trip? It makes no sense. Okay, now we are going to be seeing Tirelo being upset about it, because I'll be upset too. What is the reason? You don't want this man. Can't you just let me have this man by myself for just this trip? You know, because now obviously Tirelo on the trip, she's the only one that is dating Mpumelelo. She's supposed to enjoy that time because she's the only one now who is Mpumelelo's girlfriend. But Vuyo wouldn't let her have that. Okay, she had to bring the crush. Now everybody's going to be worried about this crush now. Okay, nangu sisiwezinqe enkulu nama-hips ke manje omusha, because bonke they look like that. Nangu everybody ke manje wants to find out why this woman is here. You know, so I understand Tirelo being upset. He was like, well, you couldn't just let me enjoy this guy just alone, just for the weekend, okay? Listen, you guys, maybe when we watch the full episode, we will understand why Vuyo has done what she's done. But as it stands right here, I'm embarrassed for her. I'm not understanding. I feel like Ntombazane isidima sakho. Naye-ke lona-ke abamlandile nawe ntombazane isidima sakho, a guy has blocked you. You travel all the way to Sun City to ask him why he blocked you. Nizozikhothizisa ngama-BP nina, nizosinyusisa ngamashukela nina. Amashukela ngathi ngumuntu wasegula, anginika amashukela, nizosinyusa ngoshukela nina. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it before Pumegona, share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers.